Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Indian Penal Code, we were discussing chapter 10, which is all about of contempts of the lawful authority of public servants, which is covered between section 172 to 190. And in that series, this is my 10th video where we are going to understand section 180, which is all about refusing to sign statement. We are going to understand this in a single slide presentation with the help of Bare Act provision as well as a beautiful simple chart. Not taking much of your time, let's get into the only slide. Section 180 of IPC discusses about refusing to sign statement, and the Bare Act provision says whoever refuses to sign any statement made by him when required to sign that statement by a public servant legally competent to require that he shall sign that statement shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months or with fine which may extend to 500 rupees or with both. A very simple Bare Act provision, and let's try make it further simple with the help of my chart. The class will continue. In between, I just wanted to share an important update with you guys. I have joined the unacademy team as an educator for CLAT 2023 batch, and I would like to request you all to download the unacademy app and follow me there also. And while buying the subscription over there, please buy the subscription with my code GYAN07, that is GAN07, to get additional 10% discount. And what's happening in unacademy this week? All India CLAT mock test series batch is starting from March 9th 2022, and a batch by name Let's Crack CLAT is starting from March 11 2022, and a rank booster advanced batch is starting from March 11 2022. Join all these batches, and while joining, please use my code, that is GYAN07 GAN07, to get additional 10% discount. Thank you. The Bare Act provision of section 180 is quite easy, and let's make it further easy with the help of my chart. The chart says whoever makes any statement to a public servant, and if such public servant asks them to sign such statement, and if such person refuses to sign such statement, then it is a punishable offense. Okay, there is one Mr. X who has made a statement to the public servant, and after making such statement, now the public servant is asking Mr. X to sign the statement related to that, and if that person is now refusing to sign that statement which he has made earlier, then that becomes a punishable offense. And what is the punishment there? He will be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months, or with fine which may extend to 500 rupees, or with both. So here is the scenario. A person made a statement to the public servant, and later the public servant is asking him to sign the statement related to that, and now the person is refusing to sign the statement which he has already made to the public servant, and if he does so, that is a punishable offense, and the punishment can be simple imprisonment up to 3 months or fine up to 500 rupees, or with both. And under CRPC, these are non-cognizable offenses, bailable offenses, and any magistrate can conduct the trial. That's all about section 180. And in my next video, I am going to meet you guys with section 181. Till then, I am handing over the presentation to Nishan.
Whenever you're saying goodbye to someone, say proper goodbye, because you never know if you will see them again. With that, I'm concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos.